series related problems. In these series related problems, there are three important varieties, right? First thing is model 1, next it is model 2, model 1, next model 2. I will tell you what is model 1 and model 2, what is the difference between model 1 and model 2. 3. Third one is other than model 1 and model 2, which is miscellaneous. Please write down, sir. Which is miscellaneous. Around 25 plus problems we will discuss in today's session. All the problems are related to this concept, that is series. This concept, that is series. Extremely important, very, very important topic, sir. Very, very important topic. Definite in your examination, directly or indirectly, you will get a question based upon this topic. Very, very important topic. Write down key points. Key points. Key points. Key points. First question. Key points. 1 by, write down a question. 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 and so on up to 1 by 31 into 34. 1 by 31 into 34. 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 and so on up to 31 into 34. Before solving this question, please write down some important observations. All the fractions are of the form 1 by value. All the questions are of the form 1 by values. There is 1 into 4 value, there is 4 into 7 value, there is 7 into 10 value, there is 31 into 34. All the questions whatever we are solving, it is of this form. Next one, there are two values here, 1 and 4. What is the difference between two values? 3. Here also 3, here also 3, here also 3. Next point, difference between or the gap between values, it is the same. Second observation, gap between values, it is the same. Gap between values, it is same. Sir, what if it is not same? It will become sin x, cos x, e power x, log x, sin hx, cos hx. Higher series it will become. In our examination, all the differences will be constant. Now, this is first thing. Next thing. So, these are the two important observations, right? 1 and 4 difference is 3, 4 and 7 difference is 3. Third observation, see here. In these first term, there are two values. The second value is the first value for the next term. In the second term, second value is the first value in the next term. That means repetition of the value in the terms. Repetition of value in the next terms. Repetition of the value in the next term. These are the three important observations. Again, I am repeating, all the terms are of the value 1 by. First point clear. Second, there are two values in the denominator. Difference between the values, it is the same. That is second point. There is a value which is repeated in the next term. It can be 3 values, 4 values, 5 values. Now, traditional method, please write down. How generally in our textbook we will solve it, then we will discuss the shortcut. Traditional way. Traditional way. Now see here, 1 and 4 difference is 3. Can I write 1 by 1 into 4 as 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4? Can I write like this? Because if I take LCM 1 into 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 will get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 by 1 into 4. Similarly, 1 by 4 into 7, can I write it as 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 7? I can write it. Denominator it is 4 into 7, 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 will get cancelled. And so on up to 1 by 31 into 34. So this will be 1 by 3 into 1 by 31 minus 1 by 34. Minus 1 by 34. Is this idea clear? Sir, from where you got these three idea? The difference between the values in the denominator, difference between the values in denominator, it is same. Whatever that is same, that only I took it out. What has happened because of this? Because of this, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. All intermediate values got cancelled. So what is the answer we got? 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 34. 34 minus 1 is 33. So 33 by 34. Answer for this question is 11 by 34. Answer for this question is 11 by 34. Please write down. This is the traditional way of solving the question. This is the traditional way of solving the question. After 5 minutes, you will tell the answer directly. 1 by 1 into 4, 1 by 4 into 7, and so on up to 1 by 31 into 34. 1 by 1 into 4, 1 by 4 into 7, 1 by 7 into 10, and so on. I hope this idea it is clear. Idea clear? Next, method 2. Please write down. Method 2. To understand method 2, we need to understand method 1. Method 2. Method 2. 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 and so on up to 1 by 31 into 34. Method 2, shortcut. Method 2. Directly how to write the answer. Listen carefully. Method 2. Step number 1. How many terms, values are there in denominator? 2 values are there in denominator. First point. If n values are in denominator, if n values are in denominator, answer contains n minus 1 values. Answer contains n minus 1 values. Thumb rule. Please write down, sir. If n values are in denominator, answer contains n minus 1 values. How many values are there? 2 values are there in denominator. That means answer contains only 1 value. Please take the first value. Please take the last value. Put a minus sign. If there are 3 values, take the first 2 values, take the last 2 values. If there are 4 values, take the first 3 values, take the last 3 values. 1 minus 1 by 34. Here it is 1 by. Next one. What is the difference between 2 values? It is 3. Here I am writing. These 3 is the difference between 2 consecutive values. Difference between 2 consecutive values. Here 2 values are becoming how many values? 1 value. It is into 1. What is this one? Number of values condensed. 2 values are becoming 1 value. 2 values are becoming 1 value. Again I am repeating. Here how many values are there in denominator? 2. Answer contains 1 value. What is that 1 value? First value and last value. Here 3. From where we got 3? Difference between 2 consecutive numerical values into 2 values became 1 value. What is that value? First value, first number minus second number. Please write down. So if I solve it, this is directly 1 by 3 into 34 minus 1 is 33 by 34. Answer for this question is 11 by 34. Please write down. Once you start solving problems, you will feel very comfortable, right? And you will write the answer very, very fast. You will write the answer very, very fast. 1 and 4 difference is 3. 4 and 7 difference is 3. 31 into 34 difference is 3. So difference into 2 values became 1 value. 2 values became 1 value. First I will solve 4 to 5 examples so that you will feel very comfortable. 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 34. By next slide, once I solve 3 more problems, you will feel very comfortable. Again I am repeating, if 2 values are in denominator, answer contains 1 value. If 3 values are in denominator, answer contains 2 values. Write down next. Questions. Examples. Then while doing previous year questions, the logic will be very easy. 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 11 and so on up to 1 by 32 into 35. 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 11 and so on up to 1 by 32 into 35. Now again I am explaining. How many values are in the denominator? 2 values. Answer contains first value and last value. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 35. 1 by. What is the difference between 2 numerical values? 3. 2 numerical values became 1. So 1 by 3 into 35 minus 2 is 33 divided by 2 into 35. So answer for this question is 11 by 70. Please write 11 by 70. Idea clear? 1 by 2 into 5, 1 by 5 into 8 and so on up to 1 by 32 into 35. Difference between 2 numerical values is 3. 2 numerical values became 1. Second, 1 by 1 into 5 into 9 plus 1 by 5 into 9 into 13 and so on up to 1 by 41 into 45 into 49. 1 by 41 into 45 into 49. Please write down. 1 by 1 into 5 into 9 plus 1 by 5 into 9 into 13, 1 by 41 into 45 into 49. How many numerical values are there? 3 numerical values are there. If 3 numerical values are there, write down the first 2 and write down the last 2. Write down the first 2 and write down the last 2. 1 by. What is the difference between values consecutive? 1 and 5, it is 4. 5 and 9 also 4. 3 numerical values are becoming 2. 3 numerical values are becoming 2. So it is 1 by 8 into 1 by 1 into 5 minus 1 by 45 into 14. 1 by 8 into 1 by 1 into 5 minus 1 by 45 into 49. Second one clear? Third, exam question. Please write down. 1 by 2 square minus 1. 1 by 2 square minus 1 plus 1 by 4 square minus 1 plus 1 by 6 square minus 1 and so on up to 1 by 20 square minus 1. 1 by 20 square minus 1. Similar question came in CAT exam, SSC CGL exam, SSC CHSL exam and CDS exam. Please put a star mark on these questions. 1 by 2 square minus 1 plus 4 square minus 1 plus 1 by 6 square minus 1 and so on up to 1 by 20 square minus 1. 1 can be written as 1 square. Here also 1 square. Here also 1 square. Here also 1 square. A square minus B square. A minus B. 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 4 minus 1 into 4 plus 1. A minus B. 6 minus 1 into 6 plus 1. And so on up to 20 minus 1 into 20 plus 1. Am I right? Please write down. A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square is given by A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. 1 I wrote it as 1 square. 1 I wrote it as 1 square. I hope the idea it is very much clear. A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. Now you know how to solve. Now you know 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 and so on up to 1 by 19 into 21. Two values are there. Write down first value and write down last value. 1 by 1 and 3 difference is 2. Two values will become 1. So this is 1 by 2 into 21 minus 1 is 20 by 21. So answer for this question is 10 by 21. Answer for this question is 10 by 21. Please put a star mark on this question. Star mark on this question. Next one. Please write down. Fourth one. Third one clear? Fourth question. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 and so on up to infinite terms is how much? Infinite terms is how much? 1 plus, please write down sir, again an original exam question. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 and so on up to infinite terms. And so on up to infinite terms. Now, before we solve this, please write down an important key point. Important key point. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10. Please look at the denominators. Denominator it is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 and so on. Listen carefully sir. First take the denominator values. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 and so on. The denominator values are like this. Here it is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 and so on. Now, this is a very beautiful series. What is the sum of first two consecutive values? 1 plus 3, it is 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. If you visualize it, 1 I am putting 1 box, another 3 I am putting 3 boxes like this. This is a 2 into 2 square. This is a 2 into 2 square. Next, if I put next to sum, 3 plus 6, it is 9. 9 can be written as 3 square. 3 it is written as like this. 6 it is written as like this. These are 3, these are 6. Are you all with me? It is a 3 into 3 square. Very, very important point. Number of squares in an n into n chessboard is summation n square. Please write down. Here it is 2 into 2 I got 2 square. 3 into 3 I got 3 square. 4 into 4 I will get 4 square. Please write down that point. Number of squares. Number of squares in an n into n chessboard. Number of squares in an n into n chessboard. It is given by total number we require, so summation, so it is n square. Number of squares in an n into n chessboard is summation n square. Please write down. Very, very important concepts. Number of squares in an n into n chessboard. Take any two, sum of any two numbers. This series is popularly called as triangular series. Please write down. This series is popularly called as triangular series. Triangular series. Sum of any two consecutive values in a triangular series, it is a perfect square. Please write down. Any two consecutive. 1 plus 3, it is 4. 6 plus 10, 16, it is 4 square. 15 plus 10, 25, it is 5 square. Please write down that point. Sum of any two consecutive values. Sum of any two consecutive values in a triangular series, it is a perfect square. Sum of any two consecutive values, it is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. Denominator observation 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. This is the observation. Now, if you see here, solution. This is a very, very good question. Another key point also I will mention. This is sum to infinite series. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 and so on up to infinite terms. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 and so on up to infinite terms. I will divide these series by 2. I will tell you from where I got that idea. If I divide by 2, 1 into 2 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 10 into 2 is 20. And so on up to infinite. Divide by 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 2 10s are 20 and so on. By dividing this became a series what we require. 2 can be written as 1 into 2. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 12 can be written as 3 into 4. 20 can be written as 4 into 5 and so on. We know how to solve these equations. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. So, this will become 1 by 1 minus 1 by infinite. 1 by infinite is 0. S by 2 it is 1. Sum to infinite values. The answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Why it is infinite came? It is an increasing series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 100, 1000 and it will go up to positive infinite. 1 by infinite is 0. Please write down. 1 by infinite is 0. Next one, fifth question. Sir, you might have a doubt. Sir, from where you got that dividing by 2 idea? Please put a star mark. Dividing by 2 idea. Dividing by 2 idea. Now, please write down 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 and so on up to infinite terms. And so on up to infinite terms. Now, if you observe carefully, first value denominator it is 1. Second it is 3. 3 can be written as 1 plus 2. 6 can be written as 1 plus 2 plus 3. Third term, denominator it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Fourth term, denominator it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Fifth term it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Infinite term it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on up to infinite. That means, can I write it as sum we are doing summation 1 by, can I write like this, summation n equivalent to 1 to infinite. Why this summation came? Because all the terms I am adding. If it is n equivalent to 1, summation 1, 1. If n equivalent to 2, summation 2. What is summation 2? Sum of the first two natural numbers. If n equivalent to 3, summation 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Idea it is clear? Right. So, this is summation n equivalent to 1 to infinite 1 by summation n is n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. 2 goes above. So, this will become n equivalent to 1 to infinite 2 by n into n plus 1. 2 goes that side. If I call these as s, so s by 2 is equivalent to 1 summation n equivalent to 1 to infinite 1 by n into n plus 1. Why that 2 came? I hope the idea it is clear. Please write down. Please write down. I am sure the concept is clear. 3 it is 1 plus 2. 6 it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 10 it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Summation n, sum of the first natural numbers. Sum of the first natural numbers is given by the logic n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n is n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. Second value it is 3. 3 it is 1 plus 2. Third value denominator it is 6. 6 it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Fourth value it is 10. 10 it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Idea clear? Why these two came into picture? Why these two came into picture? Extremely important series. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 and so on. Very, very important series. Now, please write down. Now, if you observe, sir, if you observe, can I say it is an decreasing series or a diminishing series, or in every term the value is decreasing? 1 is 100%. 1 by 3 is 33.33%. 1 by 6 is 16.66%. Write down a note. Note. If the series is a decreasing series, 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 then there is another concept that can be used. That concept is approximation. That concept is approximation. How to do this approximation we will see. If the series is an decreasing series, we will do approximation. Question, please write down. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 and so on up to infinite terms. And so on up to infinite terms. Suppose if the question answer is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. And the next one is, suppose 9 by 7. Third one is 2. Fourth one is 3 by 2. If it is like this, please write down. 100, 1 by, right? Or we will take 16, 8 by 5. 8 by 5. 8 by 5 we will take. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 and so on up to infinite terms. 6 by 5, 9 by 7, 2 and 8 by 5 is there. Directly you can eliminate few answer options. 1 is 100%. 1 by 3 is 33.33. 1 by 6 is 16.67. 1 by 10 is 10% plus positive. Answer is, I took only the first 4 values. To first 4 values I am adding positive. So it is greater than 100%. First 4 if it is there, then this 4 will be there. Plus positive value. That means answer will be greater than this value. 16.67 plus 33.33 is 50%. 50 plus 10 is 60. Answer is greater than 160%. Answer should be greater than 1.6. This cannot be, this cannot be, this cannot be. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. 1 is 100%. 1 by 3 is 33.33%. 1 by 6 is 16.67%. 1 by 10 is 10%. 33.33 plus 16.67, it is 50%. 50 plus 10 is 60. So answer is greater than 160%. Whenever the values in the series are decreasing, the series will be a decreasing series. Because the values are decreasing, after some level, the next term value will be very small compared to the original value. Very small compared to the original value. Right. Let's go back. Here one more question we will solve. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Write down one more question. 32 plus 32 by 3 plus 16 by 3 plus 16 by 5 and so on up to infinite terms. 32 plus 32 by 3 plus 16 by 3 plus 16 by 5 and so on up to infinite terms. These please put a star mark, sir. Again an previous year exam question. 32 plus 32 by 3 plus 16 by 3. If I take 32 common, this will be 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10. Am I right? See? 32 common, remaining is 1 by 3. 32 common, it will become 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. 32 common, 1 by 10. What is this series? 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10. That series is 2. So answer for this question is 32 2s are 64. Please write down. Answer for this question is 32 2s are 64. Very, very important series. If the question is of the format 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10. Concept clear? 32 common, remaining will be, right, 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10. That is 2. 32 2s are 64. Next question. 3 by 4. It is again an exam question. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 36. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 36 plus 7 by 144. 7 by 144 and so on up to 10 terms value it is equivalent to 3 by 4 plus 5 by 36 plus 7 by 144 and so on up to 10 terms. Please put a star mark here. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 36 plus 7 by 144. Very carefully we have to do. Here it is 4. 4 can be written as 1 square into 2 square. 1 4s are 4. If you see numerator, it is 3. 3 is 2 square minus 1 square. 2 square it is 4. 1 square it is 1. What is 4 minus 1? 3. Again, so this is 2 square minus 1 square. 36 it is 2 square into 3 square. 4 nines are 36. Numerator is 3 square minus 2 square. 9 minus 4 is 4. 144 it is 3 square into 4 square. Numerator it is 4 square minus 3 square. Second term, it is starting with 2 square. Next value, it is 3 square. Numerator is the difference of these two values. Third term, it is starting with 3 square. Next, it is 4 square. 4 square minus 3 square. 10th term, starting with 10 square. Next, it is 11 square. Numerator, it is 11 square minus 10 square. Please write down. That idea you should get. 4 it is 1 square into 2 square. Numerator it is 2 square minus 1 square. 36 it is 2 square into 3 square. Numerator it is 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square minus 2 square. 144 it is 3 square into 4 square. Numerator it is 4 square minus 3 square. 10th term it is 10 square into 11 square. Numerator it is 11 square minus 10 square. Numerator it is 11 square minus 10 square. Separate it. If I separate it, 2 square by 1 square into 2 square minus 1 square by 1 square into 2 square plus 3 square by 2 square into 3 square minus 2 square by 2 square into 3 square and so on up to 11 square by 10 square into 11 square minus 10 square by 10 square into 11 square. 10 square into 11 square. 3 square if I eliminate, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. All intermediate values are cancelled. 2 square if I cancel it out, 1 minus 1 by 121. Answer for this question is 120 by 121. Beautiful question it is. Answer for this question is 120 by 121. 4 can be written as 1 square into 2 square. Numerator it is 2 square minus 1 square. 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. Numerator it is 3 square minus 10 square. Second term denominator starting with 2 square. Fifth term denominator starting with 5 square. 10th term denominator starting with 10 square. Are you all with me? Next two examples. Please write down. 1 by 2 into 7 into 12 into 17. 1 by 2 into 7 into 12 into 17 plus 1 by 7 into 12 into 17 into 22 and so on up to 52 into 57 into 62 into 67. 52 into 57 into 60. 62 into 67. How many values are there? 4 values are there. If 4 values are there, answer will have 3 values. write down the first 3. 1 by 2 into 7 into 12 minus 1 by 57 into 62 into 67. 62 into 67. It is 1 by difference between two consecutive values 4. 4 is becoming 3. Directly this will be there in the answer. 4 numerical values is becoming 3 numerical values. Difference between two values, it is 5. Are you all with me? Just to look at all these type of questions. Any doubt in any of these questions? These 3 key points are important. This is model 1. Now let us solve previous year questions. Please write down. PYQ. PYQ. Tell me this answer. 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 and so on up to 1 by 29 into 31. 2 numerical values are there. Write down the first and write down the last. 1 by difference is 2. 2 numerical values is becoming 1. So answer for this question is 1 by 2 into 30 by 31. Answer it is 15 by 31. Very fast you can solve this question. Idea clear? Tell me this answer. Again a previous year question. 1 by 2 into 5, 1 by 5 into 8. Just orally tell me. 2 numerical values are there. Write down the first numerical value. Write down the last numerical value. 1 by difference, it is 3. 2 numerical values are becoming 1. So 1 by 3, it's all about knowing the concepts. 35 minus 2, 33, divided by 2 into 35. 11 by 70. Next one. Third one. Already we did. 2 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1. So 2 square minus 1 square. Please write down one note. 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 Listen very carefully, sir. Very carefully. Take this example. 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 and so on up to 1 by 31 into 34. 1 by 31 into 34. 31 into 34. Please write down. If options are like this. Options are like this. 1 into 4, 4 into 7 and so on up to 31 into 34. If I observe prime number, I can eliminate few incorrect answer option. If I observe prime number, please write down, sir. Very, very important. One is we found out the answer. Now we will eliminate incorrect answer options. 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 and so on up to 1 by 31 into 34. Traditional method, how we will solve? We will solve it like this. We will solve it like this. What is the answer for this question? 1 by 1 minus 1 by 34. Difference between 1 and 4 is 3. So answer for this question is 1 by 3 into 33 by 34. It is 11 by 34. You all know this concept. You all know this concept. Now listen very carefully. If 2 numerical values are there, answer will contain how many numerical values? 1. We will write down these value and we will write down these value. Yes or no? We will write this value and this value. Last value 34. 34 is 2 into 17. Prime number it is 17. Denominator should have a prime number related to 17. 17 related is not there. 17 related is not there. 17 related is not there. Please write down. 11 by 34. Answer it is first value minus last value. Just if the answer options are stupid, we can eliminate the answer options. We can eliminate the answer options. We can eliminate the answer option. Observation of a prime number. If you observe prime number, you will get the answer. Now, if you see here, suppose if options are like this, 11 by 32, 11 by 70, 11 by 72, and for example, if it is, right, 11 by 60, if options are like this, 11 by 32, 11 by 70, 11 by 72, 11 by 60. You don't need to do all these things. Two values are there, first value and last value. Last value it is 35. What are the prime factors of 35? 5 and 7. Denominator should have, right, a value related to 7. It is not 7. It is not 7. It is not 7. Please put a star mark. Just by looking at the question, we will get the answer. Just by looking at the question, we will get the answer. Are you all with me? Not only here, 3 values, 4 values. Any, see here. 1 by 1 into 3, 1 by 3 into 5, 1 by 29 into 31. 2 values. First value and last value. Denominator should have a value related to 31. Denominator should have value related to 31. Next. Already we did solved this question. Already we solved this question. Now, if you see here, just by observation, what should be the answer contain? Which prime number? Tell me. 3 values are there. That means first 2 values, last 2 values. It is 35. Here 7 it is there. Here 11 also it is there. Denominator should contain a values related to 7 and 11. Please write down that point. Denominator should have values related to 7 and 11. 7 and 11. If 3 values are there, answer will be first 2 values write down and last 2 values write down. This is the traditional method. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 33 into 35. It is 1 by, difference is 2. 2 numerical values, 3 numerical values are becoming 2. 1 by 2 into 2. Keep an eye on the answer option and also know the shortcut way to solve. Shortcut way to solve. I hope the idea it is clear. Please write down the answer. What should be the answer contains? 3 values are there. First 2 and last 2. 57 is 3 into 19. 62 is 2 into 31. Answer should contain a prime number related to 19 and 31. Keep an eye on the answer option. We also know how to write the answer. 3 numerical values are there. Write down the first 2 values and write down the last 2 values. Last 2 values. 1 by, difference between 2 values it is 5. 3 is becoming 2. 3 is becoming 2. Idea clear? Now, model 2. Please write down. Model 1. Any doubts are there? Model 1. All the key points are with respect to these key points. These key points. If you understand these 3, right, all the questions can be done using these model. Please write down, sir. These all are key points related to model 1. Model 1. Similarly, we will do model 2. Model 2. Approximation, what we discussed, can be used in any models. Model 2. Once you understand, it's easy. All these questions we did it. No. Model 2. Please write down, sir. Model 2. First point. The questions are not of the form 1 by values. First write down. It is not of the form 1 by values. It is not of the form 1 by values. It can be 2 numbers, it can be 3 numbers, it can be 4 numbers. It can be 4 numbers. Next one. See here. These 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 7, 35. It is an increasing series. Model 1, it is a decreasing series. Model 2, it is an increasing series. Please write down. Model 2, it is an increasing series. It is an increasing series. Next one. One common thing in model 1 and model 2 is, in model 1, the value in first term is repeated in the second term. Here also, the value is repeated. The value is repeated. Please write down. Value is repeated. Value is repeated in next terms. 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 Please write down method 1 and method 2. Method 1. Traditional method we will understand, then optimal method we will see. Traditional method. Traditional method. Traditional method. Listen very carefully, sir. Once you understand, method 2 is easy. First, what is the term 1 into 3? It is 1 into 3. Can I write 1 into 3 like this? After second step, you will understand. Write 1 into 3 here, 1 into 3 here. I will tell you why am I writing. 1 and 3, what is the difference? 2. Here also, difference between values. One more point, please write down. Difference between values in a term, it is the same. Difference between values. Difference between values. Difference between values in a term, it is the same. Difference between a values in a term, it is the same. Now if you see, because it is 1 into 3, I am making these changes. 1 into 3, 1 and 3. 1 and 3, what is the difference? 2. Go 2 units before 1, minus 1. Go 2 units after 3, 5. Can I write 1 into 3 as like this? Please observe carefully. If I take 1 into 3 common, what is there in the bracket? Minus 1, minus 5. What is minus 1, minus 5? Minus 6. Multiplied by minus 1 by 6. It is cancelled. Again I am repeating. 1 into 3, 1 into 3. If I take common, what is there in the bracket? Minus 1, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 5 is minus 6. Multiplied by minus 1 by 6. Minus 6 will get cancelled. Why we are doing? In the next step it will be clear. 3 into 5. Step 1. Write 3 into 5 first. Again 3 into 5. 3 and 5 difference is 2. Go 2 units before. 3 and 5 difference is 2. Go 2 units after. Minus 1 by 6. Again observe. 3 into 5 common, 3 into 5 common. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Multiplied by minus 1 by 6. Cancel. Why we are doing? it is minus 1 into 3 into 5. It is plus 1 into 3 into 5. Both can be cancelled. All values will be cancelled. 31 into 33. Step 1, write down the first two and write down the last two. 31, 33, difference is 2. Go 2 units before. Go 2 units after. Minus, again it is minus 1 by 6. 31, 33 common. 29 minus 35 is minus 6. All middle values are cancelled. So answer for this question is minus 1 by 6 into minus 1 into 1 into 3 minus 31 into 33 into 35. Write down as it is. I will tell you a single step solution. Please write down. Sir, from where you got 6? Why it is minus? Everything I will explain in shortcut. Write down as it is. What I did? It is 1 and 3. Write 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 difference is 2. Go 2 units before 1. Go 2 units after 3. Go 2 units after 3. 2 units before, 2 units after. 2 units before, 2 units after. 2 units before, 2 units after. All intermediate values will be cancelled. All middle level values will be cancelled. Minus 1 by 6, first and last. Minus 1 into 1 into 3 minus 31 into 33 into 35. 5 to 6 problems if you solve, the idea will be very clear to you. This is method 1. Idea clear?